Claude Plus, Microsoft Clarity MCP, turn website behavior into AI-powered marketing insights. What if your website analytics could talk back to you? Not in dashboards, not in endless tabs, not in exported spreadsheets. Imagine opening Claude and simply asking, why are mobile users dropping off on my landing page? Which pages have the highest frustration signals? Show me scroll depth by device for the last 3 days. Find session recordings where users encountered JavaScript errors. And Claude comes back with actual insights from Microsoft Clarity. That is exactly where Claude plus Microsoft Clarity MCP becomes powerful for marketers. Welcome to the Claude plus MCP Connector series, where we explore how marketers can connect AI directly with the tools they already use. Today, we are looking at Microsoft Clarity MCP. Microsoft Clarity is a free behavior analytics tool that helps you understand how users interact with your website through session recordings, heat maps, and user behavior insights. But here is the challenge. Most marketers do not have time to manually open dashboards, apply filters, and analyze everything into action items. That is where MCP changes the workflow. MCP, or Model Context Protocol, is like a universal connector for AI applications. It allows tools like Claude to connect with external systems and data sources. In simple terms, MCP gives Claude access to your tools. Claude gives your tools a conversational brain. With the Microsoft Clarity MCP server, Claude can access Clarity project analytics, session recordings, and documentation directly from a conversational prompt. Instead of saying, "Let me check the dashboard," you can say, "Claude, analyze this for me." That is a big shift because the value is faster interpretation. For marketers, Microsoft Clarity MCP can help in 5 big areas. First, landing page optimization. You can ask Claude to compare scroll depth and suggest changes. Second, campaign performance diagnostics. GA4 tells you traffic came in. HubSpot tells you leads converted. But Clarity helps you understand what happened in between. Third, UX friction detection. Clarity tracks frustration signals like rage clicks and dead clicks. Claude can list recordings and summarize what might be causing user frustration. Fourth, content engagement analysis. Compare engagement across your blog and solution pages. Understand if your thought leadership is actually being consumed. Fifth, executive reporting. Create a weekly insight summary for marketing leadership. This turns Clarity from a passive tool into an AI-powered assistant. Here are some prompt examples. Fetch scroll depth for the past 3 days. Show traffic segmented by browser. Highlight unusually low engagement. Find Clarity recordings where users encountered errors. Analyze the demo request page. These are powerful because you just need to ask better business questions. The setup is straightforward. You need a Clarity project, an API token, and Claude for desktop. The key message is you are connecting Claude to real user behavior data. So, why does this matter? Because we are entering a new phase of AI. The first phase was asking AI to write content. The next phase is asking AI to analyze real systems. Clarity brings the data. Claude brings reasoning and recommendations. Together, they help marketers optimize journeys and create faster insights. This is about giving marketers a faster way to understand users. The best teams won't just ask what happened, they'll ask what should we do next. Test this connector today.